I'm the MC ready to guide you with the program. Thank you. Baby 2, you are free to come and give us your item.
I'm in BB2 class. I have the news. News. When I was coming to school, I saw a big monkey. Just parent, my name is Mustafa. I am in BB1. Here I am. How do you do?
My name is Yasmin. I stand before you here ready to represent grade 3 of Royal Muslim Primary School. Our class teacher is Mr. Pen. We are 8 in number. We are hardworking pupils. Thank you. We appreciate all the little things you do to make us happy and feel so important. We appreciate you, Mom. We appreciate you, Dad. You are the little light in our life. You shine away up the journey of life.
Dear parents and visitors, we are grade 1 class with a short skit about eating habits. First, good eating habits are good ways of eating. Example, wash hands before eating, sit well and say Bismillah. I eat with my right hand and I close my mouth when chewing food. I say Alhamdulillah when I finished eating. I brush my teeth when I finished eating. On behalf of grade 5 students, I am glad for this opportunity to say something about Royal Muslim Primary School. Royal Muslim Primary School is my school. It is the best school I know of. I am proud of this school. It has quality. It has suitable environment for learning. Look at the compound for yourself. Isn't it good for learning?
Yes. My name is Fatih Abdurrahman Saeed. Royal Muslim Primary School is a true center of excellence. The management, teachers and students are awesome. We are grateful to our teachers for a great job they do on daily basis to transform our lives. We don't regret choosing this school. We believe in our motto, creating a future for our children.